Today I'm going to teach you how to make vegan sausage rolls using beautiful pulled oat plant-based protein. This recipe is so simple, it's nutrient dense, it's packed with vitamins and plant-based protein, plus it's simple and most importantly, it's bloody delicious. It's perfect for kids or a post-surf snack. Let's get stuck into the recipe. Dice up one brown onion. I'm going to cut it straight down with a knife. You're going to slice down towards the root as fine as possible. You're going to run your knife the other way. You're just going to slice straight down, nice, fine, delicate diced onions. So we're going to finely slice 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, probably about a cup of grated sweet potato, nice and fine. Cumin seeds, and we also have our fennel seeds. Open up our beautiful pulled oats, plant-based, beautiful protein. Heavy base pan with some olive oil. In with our sweet potato. Our gorgeous pulled oats. While our pulled oats sausage mix is cooking behind me, we're going to slice up some coriander. Take a little bit of this rind off the lemon, nutritional yeast as well, and all that. It's going to go into the pan behind me. You can see how gorgeous that is. It really has the same texture and feel as mince or pulled meat, yet it's completely plant-based. Here is another trick in making sausage rolls that little bit more healthy. So for me, I obviously love puff pastry. Being a chef, that buttery, crunchy deliciousness is so tasty, but it's also full of fat and it's not very good for you. So we're trying to make sausage rolls here that are as healthy as possible. So we are going to substitute the beautiful puff pastry for some healthy whole grain wraps. Your wrap is going to go down, and then we're going to fill it with our pulled oat sausage roll filling, okay? So just going to put it in the middle like that, making sure there's enough to fill up your sausage rolls, but also enough that you can roll it and it's not going to fall out everywhere, right? And then from there, we're actually going to roll up our wraps. Fold up the sides, make sure they're even, and then we're going to roll our wraps just like this, all the way over, making sure it's nice and even. So there we have it, our beautiful sausage rolls. I'm just going to grab a knife and just chop them into whatever size kind of sausage rolls you'd like. And then just place in your pulled oat sausage rolls. I'm going to bake these 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. There you have it, guys. Beautiful, stunning, delicious, healthy, vegan, plant-based sausage rolls using pulled oats. Packed with protein, packed with vitamins and nutrients, and super easy to make. Serve it with some tomato sauce or whatever sauce you're into and condiments. Do me a favor, give this recipe a crack, tag some friends, share the love, stay healthy, cook lots, peace out, and I'll see you next video.